Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to conduct virtual workshops using teamwork.com, your comprehensive guide for 2025. First things first, after logging into your Teamwork account, head over to the Projects tab. Here, select Create Project and title it appropriately for your workshop. This helps us because it keeps all our workshop materials organized in one spot. Next up, it's time to invite your team members. You'll see an option called Add People. Click on that. You can either invite them via email, or if they're already on Teamwork, simply add their name. The reason we do this is to ensure all the right people have access to the project and can collaborate effectively. Now that we've done that, let's focus on the workshop content. Under the Tasks tab, create your workshop agenda by adding tasks and subtasks. Remember, a well-structured agenda is the backbone of any successful workshop. It gives clear direction to your team and helps to keep the workshop on track. Next, we move on to setting up your virtual meeting. Go to the Messages tab and create a new message. Here, you can include the link to your virtual meeting, like Zoom, Google Meet, etc., the date, and the time. This helps us because everyone will know where and when to join the virtual workshop, and all this information will be stored in one place. Before we wrap up, there's one more crucial step. Under Files tab, upload any necessary documents or presentations for the workshop. This way, your team members will have all the material they need well in advance. So there you have it. A quick and efficient way to conduct virtual workshops using teamwork.com. This is a proven method that helps teams stay organized and productive while working remotely. Remember, the key is to keep everything centralized and easy for your team members to access. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.